Good morning, everyone. In previous lectures, we have studied how to find discount, percent discount, or discount in rupees, marked price, or selling price. Now, we are going to study what is commission. See page number 55. Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such a case, the company assigned responsibility of selling the good. For example, goods are books, clothes, soaps, etc. The person gets some remuneration for the service is called commission. The person who provides such type of service is called commission agent. The person who gets commission is decided in terms of percentage. The rate of commission vary according to the types of goods. For example, if owner of land, house, cattle, etc. want to sell the belongings, means owner want to sell land, house, etc. It is not easy for them to find such customers. In such a situation, person who brings the seller and the buyer together is known as mediator or an agent or a commission agent. Now, some solved examples are there. Shripati sold a land for rupees 2,50,000 to Mr. Sadashiv through a broker. Broker is nothing but agent, commission agent. Received 2% brokerage from both. He is taking 2% from both parties. Find the total brokerage received by the broker. First, we will write what is given to us. Price of the land, it is 2,50,000. Brokerage is 2% of this amount. So, 2% of 2,50,000, which is 5,000. Brokerage is equals to 2,50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 100 is equals to 5,000. Brokerage received from both buyer and seller. He is taking 5,000 from buyer and 5,000 from seller, who commission agent or broker. So total brokerage is equals to 5,000 plus 5,000 is equals to 10,000 rupees. Next example is Sukhdev sold 10 quintal of wheat at rupees 4,050 per quintal. This is the rate of 1 quintal. Through an agent. The commission was paid at the rate of 1%. So we have to find 1%. Find the amount Sukhdev received after selling the wheat. Selling price of wheat is, this is the price of 1 quintal. So 10 quintal, 10 multiplied by 4,050, which is equals to rupees 40,500. The commission rate is 1%. So commission is equals to 1% of 40,500, that is equals to 40,500 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is equals to 405. Therefore, amount received by selling wheat, selling price of wheat minus commission, that is 40,500 minus what is commission, we calculated here 405 is equals to 40,095 rupees. After selling the wheat, Sukhdev received 40,095 rupees. Now next is rebate. The organization like Khadi, Gram Udyog, handloom shops, handicraft selling centers, Bachat group, etc. Give attractive discount on special occasions. For examples, at the time of Gandhi Jayanti, the Khadi textile goods are discounted for promoting Khadi. By giving discount, they are promoting their brands. At such times, the amount of discount is compensated by the government. This monetary compensation is known as rebate. Hence, rebate is also a type of discount. The individual having income up to certain limit also receives some discount on their payable income tax. This discount is also known as rebate. Some examples are given. One example is given here from a handloom stores. Sudhir purchased the following items: 2 bed sheets, 375 rupees each, 2 floor mats, 525 rupees each. On the purchase, he received a rebate of 15%. Find the total rebate. How much should Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper? First, we will find the total cost of item purchase. So, cost of 2 bed sheets is equals to 2 multiplied by 375, which is equals to 750 rupees. Cost of 2 floor mats is equals to 2 multiplied by 525, which is equals to 1050. So total cost, we will add them. 750 plus 150 is equals to 1800. Total rebate given on marked price is equals to 15%. It's given to us. So 1800 multiplied by 15 upon 100 is equals to 270 rupees. So Sudhir has to pay 1800 minus rebate amount is deducted. So we will minus 270 from 1800. That is equals to 1530.